This is a video of the S10. This is the farm truck I got, and this truck ran great. It has 103,000 on it, something like that. 103,279. I put 562 miles around the farm. It's a 96, has no gas tank because the spider injector went inside of the engine, so I have a gas tank on the hood and it's fed directly into the intake. It runs great, surprisingly. I have a little shut-off valve right here, and I'm able to tweak it and get it precisely the amount that it needs. And I can run it real rich and get very high RPMs for when I really need to pound on it, I guess. I'd like to run the gas line. I like to have the gas tank on the hood, run the gas line down through here and through the dash somewhere, just so I can have it inside of the cab so I can tune it from there and not freaking jump out, freaking run out and get back in there, hit the throttle and all that shit. It's a pain in the ass. The bed broke. Pushed into the cab, so that got all messed up, broke my back window. Woo! So I took the bed liner of another truck, stuck it on there, used exercise machine parts, went right across there, did the same for the back. The nice part about these is it had a piece of angle iron on it with a bolt, so I could just stick it on there so it holds it nice and tight. I extended the shackles because they're rotted out. One broke on me. As you can see, it's just one. The frames broke a bunch of times from jumping it and everything else. Broke there, and I think it broke on this side. Oh yeah, it broke there. Yeah. And that was all the brakes. The bed mounts went on it. These are supposed to go up like to here and be flat, but they're sharp and pointy, not flat. Questions, comments? I think it's the best truck ever. Hopefully this summer get some good videos of it. It should last just about summer already.